Good morning, everyone. I am here at the wonderful Catalina Island Channel with the Pacific Star, as you can see, and you can tell it is a beautiful, beautiful, rocky morning. But here's the thing I wanted to share with you while I'm out here is this is a relay that is happening right now, and I've been so lucky to be asked to crew it, meaning doing the kayaking, preparing the swimmers and all that good stuff. But here's the kicker. It takes a team effort. There is so many people involved, and right now we have a swimmer in the water, as you can see right behind me, with a kayaker, which I am up next to do. But think about your teams, and I am particularly talking to the leaders of companies and organizations. Having a team, I have really seen among these 6 badass swimmers that are going on here today, and they've done a really great job. So to witness, to be there with them and for them had made all the difference. So as leaders of corporations, organizations, nonprofits, sports teams, sales teams, whatever you are leading, make sure you stay in the game with them, with your entire team. It makes a whole difference, not only to them, but it'll make a huge difference for yourself as well. So I'm up next to kayak, and why don't you just go ahead and enjoy the rest of your day as I'm out here in the middle of the ocean.